In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move text in Carrd, a platform known for creating simple, responsive websites. Whether you're new to Carrd or looking to refine your skills, this step-by-step guide will help you seamlessly adjust text within your projects. Let's dive right in. First things first, navigate to the Carrd website by typing carrd.so into your web browser. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. If you haven't set up an account yet, Carrd makes the process quick and easy, so you can start building in no time. After logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Here you'll see all your Carrd projects listed. Identify the project you want to edit and open it by clicking on it. This will take you into the Carrd editor, a space where you can make a variety of customizations to your website's layout and content. Now let's find the text element you'd like to move within your project. Click on this particular piece of text and hold the mouse button down. This action allows you to drag the text to a different part of the page. As you move it around, be mindful of what appears on the screen. Specifically, keep an eye out for a green bar. This bar acts as your guide, indicating where the text will be placed on the new container. It's an extremely handy visual cue that helps you align elements perfectly with little effort. Wherever you see the green bar, that's where your text will go once you release the mouse button. Take a moment to experiment with different placements until you find the one that looks and feels right. Once you've settled on the perfect new spot for your text, release the mouse button. Doing this drops the text element securely into its new location. If you're not satisfied with the placement, don't worry. You can always repeat the dragging process until you get it just right. In case you want to create more structure in your design, Carrd also allows you to add a new container. This feature is particularly useful if you're looking to better organize content or enhance the visual appeal of your site. Simply create a new container and drag your text into it using the same steps we discussed earlier. This flexibility gives you creative control over your layout, allowing you to customize the user experience on your site. And that's all there is to it. Moving text in Carrd is an intuitive process, empowering you to make sleek and responsive designs tailored to your needs. Practice these steps to become more fluent in navigating Carrd's features, and with a bit of creativity, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in elevating your Carrd projects.